Hi, in front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the ZEP application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the profile icon, select the AMAZFIT T-Rex 2 from the list of devices, and on this page, scroll all the way down, tap on the Unpair button, and then tap on Unpair, and tap on Unpair again to confirm. It should say unpaired successfully. You can tap on Add it right here. The watch will disappear from the list of devices and it will reset itself to the factory default settings. Now we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone, and in settings you can tap on Bluetooth, find the list of devices, My Devices, find the AMAZFIT T-Rex 2 on this list, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget Device, and tap on Forget Device to confirm. And at this point the watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.